Guys, I am back with a new video. If you want to see how I made this delicious meal, keep on watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's get into the cooking video.
Yes, apply. Yes, apply. I think you my destiny. Come and lay next to me. Run up a check with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit different. As you can see in the other previous videos, I have done a lot of cooking videos, and all my friends know I love to cook. So here today I am going to make my stir fry, but I'm using cauliflower. So I already have all of my ingredients out, which we're going to bring you guys over here so you guys can take a look. Okay guys, so here is my ingredients. I have my mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, you can always try something else like peas or carrots and things like that. I'm also going to cut up some more carrots for you guys because it's not here. So I have my ginger. So I use my peeler for my potato peeler to have some peeled slices of ginger. I have my red onions and green peppers, and I'm also going to add some broccoli. And of course, it is a shrimp stir fry, cauliflower, rice, and of course I deveined and peeled all of my shrimp. And I am going to go over here and grab a carrot. All of my carrots are sliced. I use the same peeler that I use for the ginger. And here is the head of the cauliflower, and I'm going to chop that up, and I'm going to show you guys how I chop that up with my knife. And I have a food processor coming in the mail this Friday. So because I wanted to hurry up and get a video out here for you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to chop it up by hand because I don't think everybody have a food processor. So here we go, guys. I got my parsley right there, my fresh parsley, and yeah, this is it. This is the ingredients. Let's get into it. So guys, my food processor is coming in the mail this Friday, and I'm just going to cut up the cauliflower in its desired look. I wanted to cut it up enough just so it can look like rice, and this is the final product of how everything looked. So yeah, if you continue to cut it up and just make sure you do not add the core in, everything will come out perfectly just like how I did it. Put our side products inside of a pan with medium heat, and all I'm going to do is just put olive oil on that pan. So come with me over this way. Okay, so I have oil in the pan, not too much oil, but I made sure it was all over the bottom of my pan. Just going to pour this into the pan like so. And yes, I actually had a lot of onions, and I love onions. You guys don't have to have as much onions as myself, but I love it. I am just going to mix my ingredients. Everybody's sitting at home during quarantine, and they're literally like, oh my god, I'm so bored. And I'm like, not bored at all. Putting these videos out for you guys really is giving me motivation of realizing, like, girl, you know how to cook. Girl, you know how to be so creative in everything. So it's like, maybe I should start using it because
I was the art major at Westchester University. And yeah, let's let me cook for another maybe 30 more seconds.
Doesn't that look so pretty, guys? All of the colors mixed in. It looks so tropical. So, yeah. So that's the look of what it should look like in the pan. No, I'm just kidding. But I added the broccoli and the carrots in after I let the onion and the mushrooms with the green pepper all cook through. So now it's just, you know, simmering in and getting it all mixed in, and then I'm going to add the cauliflower.
We're just making openings for the cauliflower to welcome into the pan. And I may have a lot of broccoli too.
And here is the cauliflower. Use this and add it into here. Spoons. And I'm going to use this one, a spoonful of laughter. But this is so cute. So it's 1 tablespoon. Add that in and make sure you guys wash your hands. Right in there. Try it out. I still have another thing of shrimp. I have saved that for the end. Just give me 1 sec. Some people would like to do egg whites, and I would like that as well, but I am not 100% pescatarian. So I added in my shrimp, as you can see, and you can see the egg is cooked.
But I edited that off camera.
Huh? Guess who's here, guys? Say hi, guys. Give me a kiss. No, you miss me?
Yeah. Help me get in my room.
You want to get down and go in your room? Guess what? You got a surprise in your room. Got a surprise. Hope you like it.
Here.
What is it?
A dog.
A dog. Can you sit in it?
Yeah.
Let me see you sit in it. So it's not soy sauce, but I recommend it on your food. This is what I'm adding in, one of my special ingredients. I mean, I didn't come up with this, but I think most people know about this. This is very good. Sesame seeds. And hey guys, if you want to see this delicious